Hey guys, this is Fernando. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at Fenix's new E28RV2, the successor to the E28R. Let's get right into it. Now let's see what's inside the box. We got the E28RV2, a lanyard with the sparrow ring, a fast USB-C charger, a warranty card, and the 3400 milliamps per hour 3.6 volt 18650 lithium-ion battery. Here's a closer look of the E28RV2. Let's get into some features. So the E28RV2 has a max output of 1700 lumens, which is 200 more lumens than its predecessor, the E28R, and a 299 yard throw. It has 5 brightness levels plus strobe, and now a 1 lumen warning light. And everything is controlled through this side switch right here, and it grants you access to 3 distinct modes: the general mode, the flash mode, and the warning light. This body is made out of an all-metal CNC machined light body, and it has a premium Type 3 hard anodized finish. The bezel is a metal reflector, and if you look down the lens, that's a luminous SST40 LED with a lifespan of 50,000 hours. It has an impact resistance of 1 meter, and it is IP68 dust and waterproof. And the charger here has inner waterproofing, so if this gets submerged into water and the flap is open, it should be okay. Heading over to the side switch here, the switch is made out of metal and it has a battery life indicator, so a single press will tell you how much battery life you have left. And on the opposite side, we have our fast USB-C charging port. The body has anti-slip knurling for easy grip even with wet hands. Attached is a 2-way body clip for versatile attachment that you can easily attach to a cap or down your pocket. Down at the bottom, it has these attachment points where you can attach the lanyard it comes with and also be able to tail stand. A unique feature compared to its predecessor is that this light has a magnetic tail, so you can be able to put it in places like the hood of your car to be able to work on your engine. That gives you 3 different ways to work with your hands and tools and be hands-free. Okay, now let's talk about dimensions. The E28RV2 has a length of 4.76 inches, a width of 1.04 inches, and a height of 0.89 inches. And with the battery, the E28RV2 weighs only 4.52 ounces. Now, each time that the light is turned on, the indicator will show the current battery level and it will last for 3 seconds. With green light on, saturated, it is between 100 and 85%. When the green light is flashing, it is sufficient with 85 to 50%. When the red light is on, it's poor on 50 to 25%. And when the red light is flashing, it is critical between 25 and 1%. To charge the light, you just open the anti-dust cover to reveal the charging port, and then you just connect the USB-C end of the charging cable to the flashlight. Now when you're charging it, the indicator will display red while charging, and then it will turn to green when it's fully charged. Only eco output and low output can be operated while you're charging the light. Another useful feature, it has lockout mode. When the light is switched off, you just double press the side switch and it will flash 2 times, indicating that it is in lock mode. And as you can see, it will flash twice every time you press it, meaning it is locked. Now to unlock it, you just double press the side switch again and it will turn on in the last memory mode you had it on. So how do you activate the 5 modes, strobe and warning light? It is a very easy UI, and all you have to do is press the side switch here for half a second and it activates our light in general mode. Now to cycle through the different modes in general mode, all you have to do is press the side switch once to activate through each one. This is eco, low, medium, high, and turbo at 1700 lumens. And to activate strobe, all we have to do is hold and press the side switch, this time for 1.2 seconds, and it will go to strobe mode. With the smart alternative frequency strobe. And to stop it from strobing, it's just a single press on the side switch to go back to our light modes, or hold it to turn it off. And it does have memory modes, so if you have it on low and you turn it off and you turn it back on, it will go back to low mode. It unfortunately does not remember the turbo, so it would go back to high mode if you're on turbo. And lastly, to enter into the unique feature of the warning light, when it is off, just triple press the side switch like this. and it will go into the warning light mode. Now to cycle through the different warning light modes, it's just a single press again, and you will cycle through the red constant on, green constant on, red breathing, and green breathing. The pulse light around the switch can be used as a very unique identifying light, and you activate the pulse light for a great indicator light to know where you left your light or to warn others for your own safety. Now let's take this thing outside for some beam shots. First, we're testing eco mode. This thing is 5 lumens for 260 hours. It's perfect for conserving that night vision. If you're in a camping ground and you're looking for stuff around the camping site. Heading over to low mode will give you 50 lumens for 36 hours and 50 minutes. I don't know if you can see, but I'm starting to hit that tree back there. Now we're at medium mode. Medium mode will give you 150 lumens for 17 hours and 15 minutes. You can start to see that long throw. I'm definitely able to see it on those trees up there. You see that beautiful hot spot with that nice flood beam to be able to see around you. Now we're at high mode, guys. Look at that long throw. This high mode will give you 600 lumens for 2 hours and 50 minutes. You can see that flood beam spilling right there as I'm going down. Now we are at turbo, guys. This turbo will give you 1700 lumens for 2 hours and 10-minute runtime. It gives you a 299 yards peak beam distance. It's a very long throw. It has no trouble kissing those trees down there. You can see that clearly. The beam, the flood beam is spilling, so you can really see around you as well. Last but not least, we got warning light right here, which you can use to warn others for your own safety. As I'm walking away, you can definitely see that light shining on my light. And I can also switch it to green. You can spot me from far away, or if I want to signal some sort of help, I can get it to red breathing or green. It is also a good way to find your flashlight if you're in complete darkness and you leave it somewhere momentarily. You can easily put it in any warning light mode right here, and you can easily find your flashlight if you come back to it quickly. One of the features that I really like about this light is the beam profile. It has a very tight hotspot so you can see things clearly and fast, but it also has a very nice flood beam to be able to see things around me. And one of the biggest things is definitely how compact this thing is. This is the definition of an EDC light. You can comfortably put it in your pocket as it has a double clip, and you can also clip it onto your hat for a hands-free experience, and it's also very lightweight. So this is something I definitely consider using as my EDC light. And lastly, this thing compared to the E28R has 253% more runtime and has that new feature of the warning light as long as a magnetic tail that is pretty useful in many situations. Now I would say the only thing that I wish this had instead of the magnetic tail would be a tail light switch, but that's personal preference. The magnetic tail can be very useful, especially if you're working on the hood of your car, but nonetheless this is a beautiful, well-designed EDC light. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Let me know what you guys think about the E28RV2 in the comments, and I also left the link to this product down below if you're interested. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.